the home screen, and you can pretty much set what you want to do for the day, for the week, or if you have any upcoming event, you can pretty much add it to this calendar here, and it will give you a reminder. So over here is the, I would say, to-do list. So you can just tap on the plus icon here. Once you tap on the plus icon, you'll be able to enter what you want. Let's say I'm going for a meeting, have something that I need to eat at a specific time. It all depends on what you guys have to do. So I'm just going to say enter one here. You can also add a description if you want to add one. And also, if you look at this flag icon here, if you tap on it, you can pretty much select if it's a high priority or if it's not. So I would just say high priority here. Also, you can give it a tag and so forth. Nothing much for that. And if you tap on the three dots over here, you can either add an image, if you want a text, whatever the case is, you can add. So once you have pretty much entered information, you can press on the send icon here. And this task will be for today that I must complete. You can also set tasks on the calendar, which pretty much you can set it, let's say, for example, for this day, all you have to do just then you tap on the plus icon here, and you can pretty much set it. So if you don't want to type, you can also send a voice note by tapping the voice note icon here, and you're pretty much good to go. And do keep in mind, it will remind you, and once you're finished, once you have completed a task, to make sure to tap on the box icon here, and it will be completed. And as well, you have a limited time. You can tap on the remove icon or undo icon here. So to pretty much go back if you have mistaken it, selected it. So yeah, that's all the application works. It's very, very simple. And you have other options here as it relates to work. You can say, let's say for example, you have work task that needs to be completed. You can add based on what it is, your personal work or whatever it is. So if I tap on the work option here, I can also add tasks that needs to be completed as it relates to work and also as it relates to just personal life. So in the top option here, you can tap on it three dots over here to edit the list, and you have some other features which you can use as well, which allows you to edit the tasks, how you view them. And pretty much you can just select if you want to batch delete. You can enable the manage section, and you can just delete everything at once. But that's based upon what you want to do, guys. So in the settings option here now, you can pretty much get your subscription, which you get the calendar view and some other features. If you tap on the upgrade now option here, you can see what you'll be getting as it relates to the subscription, the premium subscription that they offer. They do offer a 14-day free trial, which you can test out their premium subscription, guys. So if you're very interested in this app, I do recommend getting this 14 days free trial. Pretty much test out their application. And yeah, that's really pretty much it for this. And if you want to keep track of time, this is a very good application for you. And there's some other little features where you can edit the theme, app icon, and so forth. Nothing much. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I miss anything at all, just comment below. I would love to help you out. See you in the next one.